Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 source for weight loss, health, and wellness tips. Today, we're digging deep into the enriching world of the only carbohydrate that doesn't spike blood glucose and insulin. Either if you're striving for better blood sugar control, improved insulin sensitivity, weight management, or improved gut health, understanding the role of this amazing carbohydrate in your food plan is essential. So come on and join us as we uncover the secrets of this particular carb and its impact on your body's weight, overall health, and well-being. As we get started, let us ease into it and learn the basic information on what insulin is, when is it that we produce it, and its role in the human body. What is this hormone called insulin? The hormone insulin is a very important element produced by the pancreas. It has the ability to regulate blood sugar levels by facilitating the uptake of glucose into the cells so they can use it for energy. When is insulin produced? The hormone insulin is primarily produced by the pancreas when you eat, in response to elevated levels of glucose in your bloodstream. The elevation of glucose blood levels happens with anything you eat, but when you consume carbohydrates, the elevation is greater and huge when you eat refined carbohydrates. This is caused because carbs are made of chains of glucose, and when digested they are broken down into single glucose molecules which enter the bloodstream. We have 3 macronutrients: proteins, fats, and carbs. From all of these is 3 macros. The one that causes a higher spike in blood glucose and insulin levels is carbohydrates. We have different types of carbs: starchy, simple, and fiber. To avoid high glucose and insulin levels, stay far from simple carbs and starches. And in response to this rise in blood sugar levels, the pancreas releases insulin to help transport the glucose that you consumed from your bloodstream into the cells of your entire body. This process allows your cells to use glucose as a source of energy, or if it is in exceeded amounts, it will be stored as fatty tissue as a form of saving energy. What is insulin resistance? Insulin resistance is a process in which the body cells become resistant to the effects of insulin. Blood sugar levels rise, leading to a range of health problems including prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, weight gain, cardiovascular, and neurological disease. Why is it that is so important to maintain stable blood sugar levels and low insulin levels? This is important so your body can achieve energy regulation. Stable blood sugar levels help maintain consistent energy levels throughout the day, reducing fatigue and preventing energy crashes. Weight management. The fluctuations in blood sugar levels and high insulin levels can trigger hunger and cravings, making it more difficult to maintain a healthy weight, and at the same time making it easier to store subcutaneous and visceral fat. Brain health. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for cognitive function and mood stability, helping to prevent brain fog, irritability, and mood swings. Now that we know what the basics on insulin are, let's get into understanding fiber. This is the magical carbohydrate. So, what is fiber? Fiber is a type of carbohydrate found in plant-based foods that the body cannot digest or absorb. Instead, it passes through the digestive system largely intact, providing a range of amazing health benefits. There are a couple of different types of fiber, and they are represented by soluble fiber. This type of fiber dissolves in water to form a gel-like substance, which can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar, as well as feed your friendly bacteria. Insoluble fiber. This type of fiber, as its name claims, does not dissolve in water. It adds bulk to the stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. What are the amazing benefits of fiber? Benefit number 1, fiber promotes blood sugar control. Soluble fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels and promoting more stable energy levels throughout the day. Also preventing and improving insulin resistance and hormonal disbalance. Benefit number 2, fibers help with weight management. High fiber foods are often lower in calories and more filling, which can help reduce overall calorie intake and support your weight loss efforts. Benefit number 3, fibers help to improve your gut health. Fiber acts as a prebiotic. A prebiotic is a nutritious element that feeds your friendly bacteria. And feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut is an essential part in promoting a healthy and diverse microbiome. and a healthy digestive system. This can lead to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, better hair and skin, and enhanced immune function. Now that we know what this magical carbohydrate is and its amazing benefits, let's get down to our practical tips for increasing your fiber intake. Tip number 1. Choose to have fiber-rich foods. Incorporate a variety of fiber-rich foods into your diet, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, like chia seeds and flax seed, which are supercharged with soluble fibers. Tip number 2. Start slow and gradually increase the fiber intake. Increase your fiber intake gradually to prevent digestive discomfort, such as bloating and gas. Tip number 3. Staying hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help fiber move through the digestive tract smoothly and prevent constipation. Tip number 4. Read food labels. Pay attention to food labels and choose products with higher fiber content. Do this as much as possible. In conclusion, fiber is a crucial component of a healthy diet, providing a range of benefits for overall health and well-being. By incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your meals, you can support better blood sugar control, weight management, and gut health. Remember that small changes will lead to big improvements in your health, and this is going to happen gradually over time. We want to thank you for joining us today to learn about the power of fiber, the magical carbohydrate that does not spike insulin. If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on weight loss, health, and well-being. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with fiber and its excellent benefits. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Together, we can take control of our health and empower ourselves to live our best lives. So remain tuned into Levitas to acquire more knowledge and practical tips on optimizing your weight loss, health, and well-being. And as always, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.